Hello everyone, this is Rishi. This is the demo for my multi-tenant software as service platform project. The goal was to build a B2B application where different companies can sign up, manage their own projects, and operate in complete isolation from one another. So I think you can see this login screen, right? So you can see the workspace subdomain. So in for every organization or else the workspace we are providing a subdomain. So I have already created a demo user account, a tenant account. So I'll just log in that and I'll show the remaining project too. So let's log in into the demo tenant account. So here you can see this the dashboard of the demo tenant. Okay, so let's going into that project. Let's discuss what are the core requirements for this project. So the core requirements for these projects were multi-tenancy, authentication, role-based access control, and project and task management. So the multi-tenancy is nothing but the data isolation between different organizations. So I have implemented this by using the tenant ID, which checks on every database query. And the next is authentication. As you know, everyone, authentication is needed to be provided very securely. So I have used JWT, which is also known as JSON Web Tokens, and bcrypt for password hashing. And then next is role-based access control, which is also known as RBAC. So this RBAC is used to distinction between admins and members. And at the last we can see projects and task management. So this provides an ability to create projects and assign tasks. So you can see the dashboard screen, right? So on the top of the basic requirements, I have added several advanced features to make this a production grade application. So first thing I would like to discuss with the subscription engine. So this is a complete billing logic where free plans are capped with 5 users and 3 projects, and with the pro and there are some other conditions and limitations to remaining plans. Okay, so in the basic requirements they have provided the the admin tenants whoever create an account on this SaaS platform, so they'll be always continuing with the free plan. So in the basic requirements they have already provided all the 3 plans. So what is the use of it then without the users are enjoying that? So I have come up with a solution like request and approval. So why have I opted this request and approval is since this is a demo project, we don't need to add any payment screens or payment methods to upgrade the plan. So this is a demo project, so have just the tenant need to request for upgradation of his plan. Then the super admin will accept his request and he'll upgrade it to the plan. So let's go into that. So now let's request for the upgradation. So you can see that now the user's current plan is pro plan. Okay, now let's upgrade to enterprise plan in which you can add up to 100 team members, 50 active projects, and priority support. So now let's request here. The front end will ask should do you want to send the request to super admin to upgrade to enterprise? So I was clicking OK. So the request was sent successfully. Here you can see the request is pending of the plan like enterprise. So we'll go and discuss with this later. So first things first, we'll complete this entire demo tenant account, and then coming to the project screen. Here you can see wait, I forgot to cover one thing in the dashboard. So in the dashboard you can see active projects which shows the count of active projects which you are dealing with, and the pending task count, and team members count, and completion rate. And here you can see the I have added the recent activity, what are the tasks are created recently and which are assigned to whom, and with the date too. So now let's dive into first I would like to go to teams. Okay, this is the team members page. Okay, so in this team members page you can add users. So for example, let me add myself in this team. Okay, so I was creating an account for myself in this. So I the admin of the tenant can decide the role of the member whom he want to add. So I would like to add role as admin for myself. So, and I have created the user. You can see here it displays the name and the role and the mail ID too. So now let's just go into the projects screen. Here you can see the project alpha, which I have added as a demo one. Okay, so to present this, I would like to add a new project like SaaS platform project, and I would like to go with the description like create a multi-tenant multi-tenant, and I'm clicking on create project. Here you can see like I have created the project. So let's go into this project, like let's dive into this project screen. Here you can see like the task page in which which you can add task. So let's already I have mentioned like the placeholders, like now let's fill fix login. And if you want to add some description, like there are some bugs in the login screen. And next you can choose the priority and due date also. So I would like to continue with a medium priority, and then I'll go with the due date as Saturday, and I would like to assign this task to myself. Okay, so when I hit on create task, it will just show like this. And here you can select like in progress or else done, like that. Okay, so when I click on done, it will just strike off everything like this. So if I go into in progress, it will show in the cell yellow color. And if you click on this bubble, it will just show like mark as done. So now let's go into this like in progress, and now in the dashboard you can see here, right, like new task created, fixed login. Here like this, it will show like this in. And if we mark this as done and go to the dashboard, here you can see like the completion rate is 50%, since we are having the two pending tasks in this also. So when I click on this as a mark as done, then you can see the 100% completion. Like this, in the free plan, tenant can add up to 3 projects and 5 users, and in the pro plan he can add up to 25 users and 15 projects. Like that, each plan varies. So now let's dive into the super admin login screen. So however we are logging into the super admin, we don't need to place any workspace subdomain for him, because this software is originated from him. So now let's sign up into his account. So you can see here like I have logged in into the super admin account, and there is a difference between the tenant dashboard and the super admin dashboard. Here you can see like the total workspace, total users, active tenants, and system health. Okay, so you can see like here in the sidebar also, like there are no sections like to add a team or project, since the super admin uh, is only to give permissions for the organizations, like for regarding the plan upgradation, and to create new organizations in this platform. So now let's go into the workspaces. Here in this workspaces section, you can see like what are the companies which are under his administration. So as you remembered, in the previous section, we have request for the plan upgrader, right? So if I click on approve, then the tenant plan will be upgraded to enterprise. And next, if we want to create a workspace for him, for a new organization, we can fill it like for example, Tesla. And I would like to continue with subdomain as Tesla. So here the super admin can also decide the subscription plan while registering the new organization. So if you want to continue with the pro plan, he can go with that. And next one is Tesla at gmail.com. So you can see that here the platform administration, in the platform administration section, like a new workspace is added with the plan as a pro plan. And in the dashboard, you can see like total 2 workspaces and total 5 users. uh, in the demo tenant, we are having 3 accounts, three users, and this in this Tesla one user, and the super admin. Total five users are we are having in this platform right now, and there are two active tenants, the Tesla's main admin and Demo's main admin. So now this is about complete details, complete info about front end. Now let's go into the back end. So here you can see this back end, right? So while registering into, I have already placed that, all the data here. So uh, here you can see, now I will demonstrate the backend, which is robust and secure by testing the raw API endpoints using Postmans. Okay. So first things first, now let's register a tenant company. Okay. For that we need to create we need to this is the endpoint for that registering of a new tenant, and I was selecting as a post method, and I have already given uh, with the body, and I'm hitting the request. So when I click on this, you can see a message like the tenant registered successfully. Okay. So and then next, when we go into the login page, you can see here, right? They and this is the endpoint for login. I have already updated all the details of the user's account details. So when I click on hit that, you can see here the login is also successful, and here you can see this token, right? This is the JWT token. So while we are logging into this, we need to always log in with this. Okay. uh, so to test the security, I first need to authenticate. So I have hit the login endpoint with my credentials. So and the server returns like a secure JWT token. Now to access a protected route like creating project, I must include this token in the authorization header. So let me copy this. Okay. I have copied this, right? Now I'm going into this another one with like post with the post method to create projects. Okay. So as you can see in the header section, I have already selected like with authorization, and with the values I would like to place this. Oh, sorry. Wait a second. I think it didn't get copied properly. I have forgot to add the bearer right here. We need to add the before the token like bearer. Okay. So this serves the token to the authorization, and when I hit the API, it just shows like the task has been created successfully. In this way, this complete project has been developed. And thank you.